The Yokogawa DL9000 gives you total flexibility and acquisition control. If you're trying to isolate an intermittent glitch, take advantage of the DL9000's industry-leading 400 nanosecond dead time, or 2.5 million waveform acquisitions per second. Or allocate all of the long memory for roll mode or single-shot applications, and then zoom in to see details. For enhanced voltage resolution, take advantage of Yokogawa's high-res mode, delivering up to 12 bits of vertical resolution. If your signal is repetitive, you can even use the powerful averaging feature.